Nak,
Huh?
bakit ayaw mo?
I don't want to get this one. This is for mommy. I can make that one. Concentrate and not use it on the baby.
Buhay pa na tunaw. Buhay na tunaw. Pagkutang of my world. Gusto ko alaga ako. Hindi mo kami ko makakake. We will see kung makahimo kami ka-cake. Ito ang ingredients namin. Bye-bye.
Can you die?
Wow.
Can you die? What Chinese words do you know?
May alaga.
What Chinese words do you know?
Ma, I don't know. She's asking what Chinese I know. She give this to her mommy. Bye. Hurry up to make a cake for mommy, for her mom. This one cake, but it's like
We
a cake.
already
To
made
make
some.
that very
Look here.
faster. To make this only.
And this is the pancake that we baked. So we're gonna do 9 kneadings. I think we're almost done. Tiny Bing, taste the ananas. Yummy, crunchy.
It's like the ohong. Our cake is like the ohong.
Uh-oh.
We need to hurry up.
And our cake is here. We're doing
To make this
chocolate.
shredded chocolate here. We have the chocolate cubes here in the summer's chocolate. So we make it like this. I don't know what is the view of this, but
Glass of me. Wow, chocolate.
this is for her mom.
Yep.
We make it maybe faster lang.
We
So,
done it even.
The view is look like this na.
Wow.
Yeah, here na.
We're done. Thank goodness. Thanks.
The cake is like this na.
So the cake is like that now. I just